Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Umer Sattar, and I'm the Director of Global Customer Care at Asigra. And it's my pleasure to proudly announce 14.2 is now widely available. And I wanted to quickly walk you through some of the key highlights and the new features we introduced in 14.2. So there's 5 key things that I really want to highlight in this release. The first one being our implementation of deep MFA into our product. So what do we mean by that? What that means is essentially to access our platform, we now give you the option of using a app-centric model and permissions. So essentially, when you try to log into the application, you'll actually get a notification on your mobile device to actually authorize that, to get into the application. So that's the first part of MFA. The deeper integration that now we have done in 14.2 is that now for specific actions within the application, such as anything sensitive to do with deleting or changing settings related to backup data or your customer's data at all, is now protected using deep MFA. So let's say, for example, you want to go in and change or delete some backups. You can now enable deep MFA where you'll have to be authorized to do so. So that notification will come to your phone and you'll have to authorize it. And same way, you can also have that authorization go to a higher level so you can get approvals to do so. So this is a big key feature in our 14.2 release, and I hope you guys will get an opportunity to try it out. Another key feature is now we've introduced cybersecurity for our SaaS offerings. So this includes our Office 365 suite, including SharePoint and OneDrive. So we've extended it. We did offer cybersecurity in our file systems in our previous releases, but now we've expanded that into our Microsoft 365 solution. We're starting with SharePoint and OneDrive. Exchange, groups, and teams will be coming up shortly, as provided in an update within the next few months. Number 3 is now we offer automated scheduled restore within our application. So what this allows you to do is essentially schedule a restore, much like how you would schedule backups. You can now schedule a restore. So this has a lot of use cases that our partners, our existing partners, have asked for, and as well as some of our prospects have asked for in terms of just expanding the functionality. So you can imagine test cases to do with automated disaster recovery, or even in DevOps to kind of completely restore a source back. Number 4 is now we support the full backup of vCloud Director. We can now back up and restore at both the VM level, the vApp level, and the organizational level. So we made that very, very simple to do and just very flexible in terms of just giving you all those options depending on whatever your backup needs are. And the last key feature is that we've expanded our Office 365 suite to now offer OAuth support. So this, by having OAuth support, allows us to actually expand and add more services to our suite. So because we now offer OAuth support, we can now back up teams, modern SharePoint sites, and groups, as well as Exchange, OneDrive, and SharePoint, which we previously did. We've made the process very simple. It's essentially a one-click wizard to set this up. You just essentially create the credentials, and when you create the credentials within our application, it shoots off to Microsoft, and you put those credentials in, and it's done. And then you can go ahead and start creating your backup sets and going forward from that. So those are the 5 key features of 14.2 that I really wanted to highlight for you. It's been our pleasure. We hope that we hear from you. And if you're interested in a technical walkthrough of any of the new features we talked about, the link is available in our presentation. So thank you again, and we look forward to seeing you guys update to 14.2 or deploy 14.2 for the first time. Thank you so much.